Hey guys, this is Benton Palmer with Grill This, Smoke That, working with Lane's Barbecue today. We just did 3 cooks on this griddle. It is nasty. I'm gonna show you exactly how to clean it, even when it has things caked on, baked on, and a huge mess. Always make sure you enjoy your meal with your family and worry about cleanup later. I'm coming out here and turning the griddle on high just to get it back up to around 300 degrees, and then we're gonna start cleaning. Once it hits about 300 degrees, you can add your water. I'm gonna start by cleaning my tools first. So I just spray some water on them and use my scraper to get all the big stuff off. We'll also throw them in the dishwasher to finish them off. Same thing with this one, we're just gonna scrape everything off of it. Now I'm gonna come with water across the whole griddle. So now I'm gonna scrape everything down into the grease trap. You can see just how fast the water released a lot of that built up stuff on here. I'm gonna come back with more water and repeat the same process. We still have some heavy buildup. This time, now that I know where the buildup is, I'm gonna scrape a little bit. And then pull it all down to the grease trap again. My goal is to see clear bubbles. Whenever I spray the water, you can see we still have a little bit down here coming up, but we're just gonna keep doing this until we see clear bubbles. When we cook with sugars, you're gonna use a lot more water because you're gonna have a lot more stuff stuck on your griddle. I'm gonna come back with water one more time. I'm gonna fold up some paper towels. I like to use Bounty because they tend to hold up better. And now we're just gonna wipe the whole griddle down. The first time the paper towel is gonna turn brown and that's fine. The second time it'll be a lot cleaner. All right, one more time with the water. This time I'm gonna turn the burners off because I want the griddle to start cooling down a little bit. And I know this is my last time with water and paper towels because everything is looking clean. The last step is adding a coat of avocado oil. It's a high smoke point oil. It's what I prefer to use. I'm gonna cover the entire griddle with it and I'm gonna leave it wet. I'm not gonna let the griddle smoke and season it like you would when you first get the griddle because the oil being on your griddle is gonna prevent moisture from getting on your griddle and that's what causes rust. So we're gonna leave this wet coat of oil all over the griddle. So I just use paper towels again and the same tool and I rub it all over the griddle. You can also use it and flip it up on the sides. Get your sides and your back. Your paper towel is gonna have a little bit of brown on it and that's fine. As soon as the oil hits the griddle, it starts burning a little bit and turning brown. So that's what's on your paper towel. It doesn't mean your griddle's dirty. You don't need to use soap and water and all that stuff to clean your griddle. At this point, the griddle is clean and protected. We have our burners off. We're just gonna wait for it to cool. With the griddle cooled down, we're gonna close this lid. I like to place my dome lid right here on the top. So when I put the canvas cover on the top, any rain that falls here is gonna roll off a little bit easier. It's not required, but it's just a little second way to keep your griddle clean and rust free. I do like to go and wipe off the side tables and the surrounding areas just to keep everything clean, make sure bugs and stuff don't get on our griddle. And that's all there is to it. It's super easy to clean your griddle, prevent rust, and make it last a really long time. If you're cooking again within the next week or two, the griddle is ready. I just come out here, open the top, and start cooking. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the Griddle series with Lane's Barbecue. I hope you like these cooks and you learned a few things about how to make some great food for your family. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section. They will reply, or you can find me at Grill This, Smoke That on any of the socials. And I always love sharing things that you can cook for your family. I always respond to DMs and to my comments, so I'd love to help you out. You can find any of the products that we use today on lanesbarbecue.com, and I hope you guys have a great day.